some money.
Okay, this is after he saves some money, meaning he has a plan on something when he has already a money. So it's not. He's going to, what do you think is he going to looking at the puppy? The puppy is for sale, meaning you need to buy the puppy. What do you think the answer is?
Pet store. He's going to the pet store after he saves some money.
Okay. He's going to the pet store after he saves some money. Okay, let's see your answer. Okay, so first, she's going to play tennis tomorrow morning. Or you can also answer, she will be playing tennis tomorrow morning. Then number three, they are going to Paris 3 days from now. This is correct. And they are going to have a baby after they get married. So number five, she's going to the pyramid. This is to the pyramid in Egypt after she graduates. Or you can also use the word she's going to travel after she graduates. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so oops, I accidentally she's going to the pyramid in Egypt. Okay, so number nine, your answer is he's going to the pet shop after he saves money. But you can also answer he's going to buy the dog after he saves some money. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, those are answers that you can use, okay?
Yes.
Okay, great job. Now I have another video for you, and I want you to listen to this carefully, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so these are two videos, but uh, the next video is after this, okay?
Yes.
Okay.